Welcome, I'm in the dark. Yes, my voice doesn't match. I like music, so here we go. I've got my whole rear axle tacked. The upper shocks are tacked in place. The lower part of the shocks tacked to the axle brackets, the links, all my triangulated brackets I've been building. Everything is tacked, ready to be welded, but I am not welding it under the car. So I ground and fought and worked with all this stuff, and I love how it's looking. The axle looks strong. The axle looks like it's easy to move. And I say, take it out, lay it out, and here you can see me welding on my brackets. I wanted to take it super slow because everyone's like, don't overheat your axle, you'll warp it. And I was so scared because I can't afford another. That is my most proud weld. I've never welded. I suck at it. But I figure, keep going. You get better if you go. Those little straps that hang out there, those are the shocks. So I didn't have to weld with the shocks. So I use those as spacers. But yeah, I got my axle all welded. Everything's looking good. Once it was all welded, I hung it up on the shop roof and I painted it. This is the first coat. I taped off everything. Super excited. I think I put like 6-8 coats of rattle can on this. Just enough to where I could touch it up later when I scratch it, drag it, hit it on something. I don't know. It's a rear axle. So I got it all up there and I was like, sweet, looks good. Then I put it on some jack stands with some cardboard, and I thought, all of this, Willwood brakes and the third member and the axles, 35 spline, it all goes in like that. Now I got it mostly assembled. I'm super, super stoked, so I wanted to finish it. So now that I got the axles in, the brakes on, I put the tires on that fit, and I am super excited because I put it all together, and guess what? When I turn the yoke, the tires turn. So whatever I did seems to have worked. I read the instructions. I threw it up under this car. I love how it is. It looks funny because you think the tire sticks out super, super far, but these big old ugly fenders, these ones are ugly, they stick out quite a bit. So when I put those on the car, hopefully it helps hide it all, which it does. And I'll use some rims to offset it a little too. So let's dive underneath the car here now. So you can see, here we go. You can see how it's all painted. The 4-link looks good. My brackets are welded. Everything's tied in. I don't have my shocks on, but I put them back on later. And I got a third member underneath there. So now with this axle mounted, I'm looking down the car 1,000 times going, man, that's going to look so sweet. Can't wait to see this thing done. Get those fenders on this car. And I got to start some body work. Like right here, I got to show you how I did my rockers. And I got to show you a bunch of body work. So expect the next few videos to be a lot of body work.